How's it going, everybody? Thanks for viewing this 1966 matching numbers Mustang convertible. This vehicle was actually mine. I bought it about 4 years ago, and well, truth of the matter is I have run out of money to go ahead and restore this baby. But I can tell you this, it has a ton of money in it already. So if you're looking to finish something that someone created and not have to go from ground restoration up, this is a 1966 Ford Mustang, matching numbers, 289, convertible. Everything has been changed out in this vehicle. It has been stripped, put on a rotisserie, frame off, and reassembled. And obviously started with the motor and the suspension. As you can see, it's all done. We got a upgraded carb and an upgraded intake manifold on the 289. That's the only changes that we made on this vehicle. Everything else is factory standard. I have clean title. This vehicle never had the floor plans replaced. Now the reason why you see this gray lacquer on top is just to stop any surface rust from starting like this. So never had any floor pans replaced in this vehicle ever. True mileage, brand new steering wheel, obviously we pay for that. Now I have over $6,000 in receipts of parts you're gonna get with this vehicle. So you're gonna get the vehicle, $6,000 worth of parts, and about $9,000 worth of work that I've already put into the car. There's the vehicle itself. I even have the paint for you, the candy apple red paint, so you can paint the car. I painted it once and the doors were not on it when the guy painted it, so he tried to match it, didn't happen. That's why you see the fenders and the doors are primered and the hood, because those were off when he painted the entire car. So there's the exhaust. I got a bunch of parts there. This is not even close to the amount of parts that you will receive. I probably have a good van full of parts that are all brand new. You know, brand new exhaust, brand new headlights, brand new windshield. The only thing you're not going to get is the seat frames for the front and rear. I do not have those. You'll get the covers, you'll get the foam, you got new speaker, new glove box, new carpet in here. All that stuff is included. New door panels are included. New back door panels are included. The back carpet is included. I can't think of everything that's included in the receipts, but you can view them here on the listing. So that's the 1966 Ford. Oh, let me start it up for you, so show you how nice and clean this baby sounds. It would have been a lot easier if my foot was on the pedal giving it gas. There she is. And obviously there's no ends on the muffler. She runs and drives great. Quick little bugger. Give me a call. My name's Rick. 954-394-6581. Thanks for viewing this listing. Have a great day.